23 kilometers of treacherous water.
For decades, the Qiongzhou Strait has been a massive bottleneck, choked by severe weather and aging infrastructure. But in 2026, China officially launched a 54 billion yuan master plan to conquer it. Approved by the NDRC, this is the Zhanjiang Haikou Cross-Sea Hub.
A 4-year mega-project that will bridge the mainland to the Hainan Free Trade Port. Completing the final link in China's legendary national high-speed rail grid.
The challenge is unprecedented. Complex geological fault lines and seismic risks rule out a permanent bridge.
Tunnels are too dangerous. The ocean is too deep. The typhoons too frequent. The solution? A revolutionary, high-efficiency, roll-on, roll-off passenger ferry hub. The 15th five-year plan has begun. It's time to move the Earth. Phase 1 begins on the mainland, the Guangdong onshore section. Kilometers of newly built high-speed track must be laid.
But the terrain is unforgiving. Soft soil, uneven elevations, and complex geographical hurdles stand in the way.
Instead, they are building a railway in the sky.
Engineers adopt a radical strategy: zero tunnels.
An extreme bridge crossing, a testament to human engineering.
3/4 of the entire route will consist of elevated viaducts. Millions of tons of reinforced concrete are required to sustain the load.
A true testament to modern, heavy civil engineering. Behind the scenes, massive factories run 24/7. Prefabricating the colossal components of the viaducts. Transporting these behemoths requires specialized multi-axle carriers. Once on site, the legendary Chinese bridge launching machines take over. Operating with millimeter precision. These mechanical giants assemble the railway piece by piece, high above the ground. Securing continuous beam bridges over the most complex landscapes. Pushing steadily southwards, down the Zhuwen Peninsula. Every segment flawlessly aligned. Preparing the path for the ultimate speed. With the foundation set, the high-speed track laying begins. Designed for bullet trains operating at a blistering 350 kilometers per hour.
At these speeds, even a microscopic flaw could be catastrophic. The rails are seamlessly welded into continuous lengths, eliminating all friction points for a perfectly smooth ride.
The power network is installed simultaneously. Feeding megawatts of electricity to power the next generation bullet trains. 130 kilometers of flawless engineering.
Monitored by state-of-the-art sensory arrays. But the rails must eventually meet the sea. To support the massive influx of passengers, 7 new railway stations are rising from the ground. Hubs like Lezhou North are designed to handle millions of travelers annually. Constructed with heavy steel frameworks to withstand typhoons. Massive concrete platforms take shape. Every terminal is a logistical masterpiece. Areas like Longmen West are specifically reserved for massive future expansions. Merging high-tech aesthetics with brutalist durability. Preparing to process unprecedented volumes of cargo and passengers. Connecting local economies directly to the ultra-fast national grid. But the true test of engineering lies at the edge of the water. Welcome to the South Port, the gateway to the ocean. To accommodate massive high-speed ferries, the seabed must be conquered. Massive deep-water dredging operations commence. Excavating millions of cubic meters of sand and bedrock. Creating a perfect deep-water harbor. Now, the foundations for the offshore ferry system must be built.
Sinking colossal concrete piers directly into the ocean floor.
Engineered to withstand extreme seismic activity and corrosive salt water. The anchor points for a revolutionary transfer system are set. 6 new high-speed rail roll-on/roll-off ship berths are constructed. Designed to lock massive ships completely motionless against the dock. Capable of adjusting to extreme tidal shifts in real time. Above the vehicle decks, a group of experienced engineers, including a black man and a Hispanic woman, install automated passenger boarding bridges. A fully automated, computerized docking system.
Simultaneously, 23 kilometers away on Hainan Island, the identical twin port is built.
A synchronized engineering ballet across the Qiongzhou Strait. Built to handle the massive kinetic energy of incoming high-speed ferries.
The ports are ready. Now, they need the vessels.
To make the iron water intermodal transport work, a new fleet is born. Custom-designed high-speed marine vessels. Featuring ultra-wide, multi-lane roll-on/roll-off vehicle decks.
And high-capacity passenger zones designed for rapid loading.
Equipped with precision automated guidance systems. Engineered to slash sea crossing times significantly. Defying the severe weather conditions that crippled the old ferries. paired flawlessly with the next generation of high-speed bullet trains.
Two distinct marvels of engineering, acting as one seamless machine.
Sixth design is the transfer mechanism. No longer physically disconnected and loaded onto ships. Instead, passengers execute a rapid, cross-platform transfer. The high-speed rail terminal is directly fused with the seaport.
An unprecedented integration of rail and maritime architecture. Zero bottlenecks. Zero delays. Maximum efficiency. The turnaround time is slashed to an absolute minimum. Crossing the turbulent strait in record time. Docking perfectly into the awaiting infrastructure in Hainan. But China's engineers always look decades ahead.
The current intermodal ferry system is a massive leap forward.
But space and technical conditions have been deliberately reserved. Preparing the exact geological entry points for a potential future cross-sea bridge. Or an ultra-deep undersea rail tunnel. The foundation for the future is already poured. Waiting for the day when technology can conquer the fault lines completely.
But for now, the iron water intermodal system rules the strait.
Breaking the supply chain limits of the island province forever.
This is more than just a railway and a port.
Accelerating the flow of capital, trade, and massive international investment. Establishing a permanent, rapid 2-hour traffic circle between Zhanjiang and Haikou.
Completely transforming regional tourism and workforce mobility.
Linking southern China directly to Southeast Asian trade routes.
Fulfilling the master vision of the national 8 verticals and 8 horizontals grid. A 54 billion yuan dream, built by sheer human willpower. An engineering miracle that refused to be stopped by the ocean.
Welcome to the new era of ultra-fast connectivity. The Zhanjiang-Haikou Cross-Sea Hub.
Where brute force heavy machinery. Where the land is conquered with zero tunnels. Overcoming nature's ultimate barriers.
The Iron Water Intermodal Transport System.
Completed on time. Defying all odds. The final puzzle piece of a nation's megagrid is locked into place. Subscribe to see what engineering marvel China builds next.